First, let us check if the on-screen keyboard is functioning correctly. You can try opening it by pressing the Windows key, the Control key, and the letter O key simultaneously. If it appears and works as expected, then the problem might be elsewhere. If it does not open, you can also attempt to find it by using the Windows search bar and typing on-screen keyboard. If the on-screen keyboard continues to be unresponsive, it is time to perform a system file check. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on the result and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. This will initiate a scan of your system files to find and repair any corrupt or missing files that might be causing the issue. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.